Welcome and thanks for visiting my channel today. Work at home. Freelance writing is a very flexible non-phone option. It's also easy to start with no experience, and it has potential to pay pretty well. Most of what listed below are lower paying content sites. But if you take the time to start your own business and find private clients, you could make much more. If you need immediate income, the content sites below have more potential to provide that. They are also useful for gaining writing experience. 1. Buy keyword articles. Open to US, except for California. Rate of pay varies, but they state most of their writers earn between $10 and $18 hourly. Pay as every 2 weeks via PayPal. Must be able to write at least 1,000 words per week. 2. Crowd content. Open to US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa. Pay ranges from 1.2 cents to 7.6 cents per word. Pay as every Tuesday and Friday. 3. The Hoth. Open to US, except for California. Previous experience may be necessary depending on the position. Pay varies depending on skill level, but according to Glassdoor, most make around $15 to $17 per hour. Pay as every Monday via PayPal. 4. The Content Panel. Open worldwide. If you're a native English speaker over the age of 18 with great grammar and writing skills, you may be able to get accepted to write for the content panel. Payments are made every Monday via PayPal. There is no minimum amount required to get paid. Pay will vary depending on the job. 5. Online writing jobs US only. Pays between $15 and $50 per article. Payments made weekly via check or PayPal. 6. Scripted. Open to writers in 24 countries, including the US. Scripted writers earn an average of 10 cents per word, and there is an opportunity to control your own rates. Payments are made 15 days after writing jobs are accepted via Stripe. 7. Text broker. Open to US and some other countries. Pay depends on your star rating when you apply. Pay ranges between 1/7 of a cent per word and 5 cents per word at the highest level. Pay is weekly via PayPal provided you have at least $10 in your account. 8. Words of worth. Open to US, Canada, and possibly other countries. Pay rates are not listed on the website, but it will vary depending on the assignment. Get paid once a month via bank transfer. 9. Writer access. US only. Pay rates range between 1.4 cents to 7 cents a word. Get paid weekly if you opt for direct deposit payments, or bi-monthly if you opt for PayPal payments. 10. Verblio. US only. Pay ranges from $8 to $72 per post. You claim jobs that are posted, but other writers can claim the same jobs. The client will ultimately purchase which piece they like best, so you only get paid if your work is chosen. Pay is weekly with PayPal. If you need immediate income, the content sites below have more potential to provide that. They are also useful for gaining writing experience. Thanks for joining me today. Subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up to like this video, and click the notifying bell to get current and updated job postings.